Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. The Dream of the Rood is considered the finest of a large number of religious poems in Anglo-Saxon. Its author and date of composition is unknown. It appears in a late 10th century manuscript located in Vercelli in northern Italy. It antedates its manuscript because some passages from the Rood speech were carved on the famous Ruthvel cross at some time after its construction early in the 8th century. The precise relation of the poem to this cross is unknown. Analysis: the experience of the Rood, often called tree in the poem, its humiliation at the hands of those who cut it down and made it into an instrument of punishment for criminals, and its humility when the young hero Christ mounts it, has a suggestive relevance to the condition of the dreamer. His isolation and melancholy is typical of exile figures in Anglo-Saxon poetry. For the Rood, however, glory has replaced torment, and at the end, the dreamer's description of Christ's entry into heaven with the souls he has liberated from Hades reflects the dreamer's response to the hope that has been brought to him. Christ and the Rood both act in keeping with and yet diametrically opposed to a code of heroic action. Christ is both heroic in mounting and passiving suffering on the Rood, while the Rood is loyal to its Lord yet must participate in his death. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part.